More and more patients are arriving in clinics with musculoskeletal pain that seems to appear out of nowhere. Some patients are literally waking up with neck, shoulder, or back pain without a traumatic experience like an accident, injury, or the experience of wear or tear. When treating these musculoskeletal problems with mobilizations or manipulations, they don't seem to have any lasting influence and often make symptoms worse, leaving patients very unhappy. And your reputation? All these physical complaints often coincide also with other health problems like cognitive decline, insomnia, headaches, lack of energy, and emotional instability. So, one has to ask, what is going on? Hi, I'm Meyers, osteopath, Fitful Futures Explorer, and the founder of the Reset approach. What is going on and why this is happening? That is the topic of my presentation at the upcoming Physio Marathon in Delhi on the 13th and 14th of September. Want to know what's going on? So, want to know how to stay relevant as physiotherapists in a fast-changing world? Then don't miss out on my presentation and join me in Delhi. See you there.